Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will talk you through the answers for the fractions of amounts worksheet and we'll talk you through some of the tricky bits. This problem says Sasha, Oscar and Martha are playing a game of marbles. They have a bag of 63 marbles at the beginning of the game. Sasha says, I have won 2/7 of the marbles. Oscar says, I have won 2/9 of the marbles. And Martha says, I have won 1/3 of the marbles. How many marbles has each person won? Use the bar models to help you. So I'm going to start there with Sasha then. So Sasha says, I have won 2/7 of the marbles. So I've put 2/7 there. We've got our bar model, got the whole amount, 63 marbles, and we're splitting it into sevenths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are working out 2/7 of 63. And on the bar model then, we've got our whole, which is 63 marbles, and we're going to divide those 63 marbles into 7 equal groups. So 63 divided by 7 is 9, so each of these sevenths will be 9 marbles. We are looking at 2/7 of 63, so we're just going to be looking at these 2/7 here, so which is 2 lots of 9, and 2 lots of 9 then is 18, so 2/7 of 63 will be 18 marbles. So Sasha has won 18 of the marbles. Let's have a look at Oscar then. Oscar says, I have won 2/9 of the marbles. So we've got now 2/9. There's the bar model. The whole is 63 marbles, and we've got our 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're looking at 2/9 then. 2/9 of the 63 marbles. And that means we're going to divide those 63 marbles into 9 equal groups. So 63 divided by 9 will be 7. So each of these 9s would have 7 marbles each. And we are looking at 2 of those 9s, so the 2 9s there, and which is 7 marbles in each 9, so there's 2 of them, so 2 lots of 7 would be 14. So 2/9 of 63 would be 14 of the marbles. So Oscar has won 14 marbles. Last of all, Martha. Martha says, I have won 1/3 of the marbles. So here's our bar model. We're looking at our whole there, 63 marbles, so it's 1/3 of 63. So we'd be dividing the 63 marbles into 3 equal groups. And 63 divided by 3 would be 21. So each of these thirds would have 21 marbles in. We are only looking at 1/3, so that would be 21 marbles. So 1/3 of 63 is 21. So Martha has won 21 marbles. The last part of the problem says Sasha, Oscar and Martha take the marbles they have won. Sasha says the bag now has 3/21 of the marbles they started with. Is she correct? Explain your answer. So Sasha won 18 marbles, Oscar won 14 and Martha won 21. So together, if we add those 3 up, the 3 totals that they each won, that would make 53 marbles. So they won a total of 53 marbles between them. If we take that out of the bag, the amount they started with, so the bag had 63 marbles in, if they take their 53 marbles out, there'll be 10 marbles left in the bag. Now Sasha says the bag now has 3/21 of the marbles they started with, which was 63, so 3/21 of 63. So she thinks that's what's left in the bag. Let's just work out what 3/21 of 63 is. So we need to work out the amount that each of the 21s will have. So 63 marbles are going to be split into 21 equal groups. So we're going to divide 63 by 21. 63 divided by 21 is 3. So each of those 21 groups has 3 marbles in. We're talking about 3 of those groups though, which is 3 lots of those 3 marbles. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So 3/21 of 63 is 9. So Sasha is not correct because there are 10 marbles left in the bag, not 9. That was a video for the answers for the fractions of amounts worksheet from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial of the skills in this worksheet, you can go to kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk, or for more resources linked to the skills, you can go to classroomsecrets.co.uk.